everyone, Chris here in Airdrie, Alberta, and more specifically I'm at the Airdrie Airport. It's the venue for this weekend's air show and it's going to be amazing. So some facts for you: tickets are $25 for adults. Kids between the age of 6 and 12 are getting in for $10, and if you're younger than that, you're getting in for free. Now, show times will be starting on Saturday and Sunday at 1 o'clock, and they'll run to approximately 4 p.m. But the gates are open at 10 a.m. I highly recommend that you get here early, avoid the traffic rush. There's going to be tons to do on the grounds. Now, as far as parking goes, you will be able to park here on site for $5. It is cash only, or you can take a number of the shuttle buses for free. But we're going to link up all the information that you need to make the most out of your day on our website, airdrie360.ca. And for now, here's a look at what you can expect to see at the Airdrie Air Show. Well, there you have it. Like I said, it's going to be amazing. There's going to be a ton to do other than the things that are happening in the air. You're going to have the Madame Kids Zone. There's going to be a market, live music, beer tents this year. So make sure that you make the Airdrie Air Show part of your plans for this weekend. If the Calgary Stampede is the greatest outdoor show on earth, then this could possibly be the greatest outdoor show above earth. Chris Mulders, Airdrie 360. We'll see you next time.